This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about Mule mugs, specifically these Bar Luxe Moscow Mule mugs. We have a 16-ounce copper-plated stainless steel Moscow Mule mug, and it is 3.5 inches in diameter by 3 3/4 inches high. It's a perfect drink for serving mules or other mixed drinks, or just really any drink you want to class up a tiny bit. The mugs are break resistant, and they're just a fantastic alternative to glass since they can be reused over and over again without ever having to worry about breaking or chipping. And they add that lovely kind of upscale touch to your drink service with that wonderful copper-plated finish. So these are perfect for both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks alike to just instantly elevate the look of your tasty beverages, making them perfect for bars, lounges, clubs, or really any establishment that serves mixed drinks or just for use in your own bar at home.